Although all the previous parts almost completely eliminate the need for Navisworks, you may still need to export a NWC file once or twice per project cycle. Clash Preventor allows you to import an XML clash report from Navisworks into Revit, and thus be able to easily browse Navisworks clashes using all the features of Clash Preventor's Clash browser. We'll begin by exporting the NWC file from the Revit model. We'll use our free Navis export, which is another tool of ours that allows you to batch export models and 3D views to NWC. A very important step is to make sure to check the Convert Element IDs option so that the clashes can be brought back inside Revit. Then, you can export the model, which you'll notice to be a slow process that you can now avoid to a great extent by using Clash Preventor. Once the NWC file is exported, you can open it in Navisworks, where you can check it for interference. Then, you can head to the Results section, choose the XML option, and make sure to check all relevant parameters and include them in the XML report. Once the XML report has been exported, you can head back to Revit and press the Import Navisworks Report button, which will allow you to select that file. And there you go, all your clashes have been brought into Clash Preventor. Notice how easy browsing Navisworks clashes has become with Clash Preventor, and how much time it saves you when solving those clashes. We're sure that by now you've witnessed how indispensable this tool is for you and would like to subscribe to the tool. The next and final video shows where and how you and your company can get a subscription.